Welcome back to Accademia Barilla. Today's recipe is a tuna steak with caponata. Caponata is a typical Italian dish from the south of Italy and is based on pan-fried vegetables flavored with basil, garlic, nuts, capers, sugar and white vinegar. I start preparing the caponata because it has a longer preparation time. We peel the red onion, we cut it in half and then we cut it in small cubes. First we soak the sultana and then we can start preparing the other vegetables. I'm going to cut the eggplant in small cubes and then again zucchini and red pepper will be chopped in small cubes. The amount of vegetables should be the same as the tuna steak. For 2 people, 1 pound of tuna steak is enough, and so you need 1 pound of mixed vegetables. In the caponata, eggplant is traditionally deep fried to get more flavor, and it's added at the other ingredients only at the end. In a frying pan, we put extra virgin olive oil, and then we start cooking the red onion first, then the red pepper, and at last the zucchini. After 3 or 4 minutes, we can start adding the other ingredients. Capers, soaked sultana, pine nuts, sugar, white vinegar, pistachios, and the deep fried eggplant. Once the caponata is ready, you can keep it in a warm place and start cooking the tuna. Season the tuna steak with salt and pepper. Tuna steak should be at least 1 inch thick. And then in a hot pan, we put extra virgin olive oil, crushed garlic, and when it's really hot, we start cooking the tuna. With a very hot pan, after 1 minute, it's time to flip it over. And as you can see, it's perfectly sealed. Same time on the other side, so nearly 1 minute and a half. You can decide to serve the whole steak as it is, or cut it in slices and serve it next to the caponata. For the caponata, you can use this ring. And then we put the tuna slices on the side. You can finish the plate with some extra virgin olive oil, sea salt flavored with orange zest, and freshly ground pepper. The final touch is deep fried basil leaves.